Alrighty, here's what we got. We got clarity, UV glare gone, so you don't have any sunlight reflection. Fingerprint free. We'll see how that works. And it's a precision alignment there and reusability. You can see that there. Let's go ahead and install these. I used the lint-free cloth here, microfiber. Just make sure all the lint is off the screen. So they want you to put there's the red tab. I'm going to face it up. They don't want any fingerprints after you remove this piece. So it's going to peel right off. Do the best we can there. Remove the protective coating. These are precision fit for the screen. Right. Let me remove this part. Okay, this side's a little bit sticky with the red side. Okay, we got it. It's going to be a little bit tricky here. So always take a cloth, slide it in, keep going, and work out all the bubbles. It's like any other decal that you would put on your screen, and then we can work out here. Just press. Remove these bubbles off the screen. And just keep working it out. What's this here? We got. I'm going to try that. It's a little piece of cardboard that came in a kit. I'm going to see if I could lay that over the top. See if that works. And just try to press out. I'm going to work out these bubbles here. Just keep going until you work out all the bubbles on your screen. That's pretty much it.